Hi guys, so let me just show you something really interesting, okay? You know, a lot of people actually accuse magicians of hiding the cards up their sleeve. Now obviously you can't blame people for thinking that because magicians really do hide the cards up their sleeve. But the problem is sometimes you can actually accidentally flash those aces and give up the secret. So in order to prevent that, magicians actually come up with this new method where you can actually hide the cards up the sleeve invisibly. Now obviously I'm doing right now, but you can see it, right? Now that's because they are invisible. Now let me just show you how I can actually take advantage of this, okay? Now let's just say if I cut here, now obviously this is not an ace, okay? And I don't have an ace up here either. But if I actually rub up my sleeve, I can actually get that ace out of it. But the problem is that's just one ace, right? Sometimes you will need two ace, but that's okay because I have one over here and all it actually takes is a rub and I can get it out. But sometimes some other people might prefer the red aces, right? Now that's really totally fine. All you actually have to do is give it a rub up the backhand. Sometimes it takes a bit longer, but eventually it will actually change to the red aces as well. Now some of you might be thinking, what the hell happened to those black aces? Well, the answer is really simple. They are back up the sleeve. Now to get it out, all you actually have to do is maybe give it a little shake and you can actually get it out. But you have to be really careful when you shake it, because if you shake it too well, you might pop out these just like that. So you actually have to be really careful. But anyway, that is the invisible aces up the sleeve. I hope you enjoyed it. If you like the trick, make sure to give it a like, and also if you want to learn it, the tutorial will be up in a couple of days, so stay tuned. Take care, and I'll see you next time.